Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video, we will see how to check the balance of an Amazon gift card without redeeming. So let's dive into it. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon website at amazon.com. Sign into your Amazon account if you haven't already. Once signed in, hover over the Accounts and List drop-down menu located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select your account. On your account page, you will find different options with information about your Amazon account. Here, click on Gift Cards. On the Gift Cards page, you will see different sections of gift cards. Click on the View Gift Card Balance and Activity option. Here, you can see your gift card's total balance, and there you have it. With this method, you can check the balance of your Amazon gift card without redeeming it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.